right, today is vocab day. So here are your words. They are attached to this video. They need to be written on page 11 of your journal. If you have the ability to print it, you may print it, but it doesn't take long to handwrite them either in your journal. And then if you go to your assignments, you have vocabulary assignment. We're going to do a little bit differently because a lot of you are really struggling with doing your vocabulary assignment. So you're going to type out the definition from the vocab sheet. And then you're going to tell me the key words. Then you're going to give me an example. The example may be a little bit more challenging, so you have to get creative there in how you can give me example in words. And that is your vocab assignment for today. We're going to see if this works a little bit better. All right, you also have an assignment for today. It is also in this type of form because a lot of you do better. Sorry, here's all of my forms I've created. This is your MAD homework. If you have not watched the MAD videos, we have had 2 MAD videos now. Please watch them because you will not understand this assignment without it. Okay, so please be sure to do that. You'll be given a set of data, find the mean. That's our step 1. Then the next question, you'll find the differences. There should be multiple answers for these. Again, that's our step 2. Then you'll be asked to find MAD for the data. That's our 3rd and final step. You may use a calculator. Any calculator will do. And all answers need to be to 1 decimal place. I encourage you, if you have not taken the MAD notes and watched the video, this probably makes no sense to you. The rest of you, it should make sense. All right, so you're going to find the mean of the data. There's the data. Then you're going to use that to find your differences. And then you're going to find the MAD. And then you're going to do it with another set of data. And then another set of data. Broken it down. Many of you have told me it's a lot easier to submit your answers this way, so this is what we're going to go with. Is when I can make one of these, I'll do it. So this is due to me by tomorrow. I am not at school today, so I may or may not be able to answer all your team's questions, but I will try my best to get on there a few times throughout the day just to double check. It'll probably be around lunch. Because I do have appointments throughout today, and so please just be patient with me if I can't answer your question immediately. All right, good luck, guys.